The quickest way to make and receive phone calls on your PC or laptop using VoIPstudio is to use the VoIPstudio softphone. So, to make a first call, using VoIPstudio service, you need to download the VoIPstudio softphone. Go to voipstudio.com/download. Choose the right app and install the softphone. After downloading and running the application, enter your email and password to log in into your VoIPstudio account. Check if your audio devices are correctly configured by choosing the correspondent option. Make sure the setup is right by making a test call. In order to make your first call, access the softphone's dialer. Choose the country code or change it manually. Then, insert the correspondent number and press the call button. If you want to top up your account, open the dashboard. Search for the call credit option in your account info and select Buy. Choose the amount and the way of payment. Once done, submit payment to confirm your purchase. You can also click underneath for quicker and automatic top-up. If you don't have an active account yet, sign up for your free 30-day trial. Discover more information about this and other features of VoIPstudio on our website. VoIPstudio, the no-hassle VoIP phone service for dynamic businesses.